Hello guys. Wait, bye. Alright. I know you do this. But see you later. I'm not. Who's that somebody? Money. Okay, base. Okay, I could put in here. Wait, I'm back to make a video. Is it the poopy? I do. Okay, so should we make it a slime right now? I'm not ready for my video. So please give me a second and wait for me. And close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. If you go and close your eyes, I'm going to make you.
Your mom? Your dada? Your dada?
Okay.
Dada?
Okay. You finished. You're finished. Come on. I didn't know. Wait.
Dada? Seriously?
Yeah?
What you doing?
Make my video.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, now. Alright guys, so we just seen what the slime is saying. I think I already see something. I don't know what it's called, but make sure to like and subscribe and comment what that is because I don't know. So we have this thing or just some slime. And this egg. Like something or some slime. Okay, let's pour her out. Mom. Mommy. They can't see the table or the slime.
Did you move it then?
Hey. Oh, they do. Okay, so we're gonna see what's inside. Oh, by the way, I don't know. Just like it, can comment and make sure to like and subscribe. And I forgot to say, smash the like button. Wait, what's that? Wait, looks like you'll see something. Looks like you'll see something. To where? Down? What do you mean down? What do you mean down, guys? There's nothing down. What do you mean down?
Is that where all the cars go or just
I'm just reflexing. Are serious, guys? It's so easy, just reflexing. I think I see something right now. Let's see. Get up!
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh. Oh, I see something coming out. And we also got two things this time. So, oh my gosh. Oh my god. I won't come out. Get out. Get out. Get it. Oh. It's an egg. So what inside egg? Nothing. Or just some slime. Nothing or just some slime. I think it's gonna be slime. What do you think? What do you think is inside? Something or nothing? So we're gonna play with it. See tomorrow and watch out for more videos. Okay, I was just joking, guys. Don't be mad. I was just joking. Okay, so somebody in the comments said it was a LOL. Oh, okay, it's a LOL. Daddy, you wanna make a different video? That not even word. Yes or no? Okay, so we have LOL. Oh, I know it's a baby LOL. So it's family, but it's not the kind of like the sick. What? And there we go. See, I have a boo boo. But don't look at that, it's old. Don't look at that, it's old. So let's see some slime. I'll get this slime. Because there's literally something hanging out. Yep, it was slime. It was hanging out. Okay, I see you in the next video. Subscribe. Come on my website to see more awesome videos. And press this to see all the different fun videos. But we don't have much videos, so don't click on it, okay? Okay, bye. Goodbye. Bye.